Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to unbox the Palm Buds Pro earbuds. Stick around. Here you can see we have the box for the Palm Buds Pro, a list of features on the side, and some specifications on the back. Let's get this box open. Hard to do with one hand. Inside we have a quick start guide. We have cables, USB-C. We have a bag full of silicone ear tips. And we have the Palm Buds Pro. Bear with me as I get these out of the bag. It's hard to do this with one hand. Wrap her off, and there we are. Just flip the top open. You can see a flashing indicator there to let you know that it's been charged or it is charging. And there we are. Silicone ear tips there, which will fit comfortably in my ear, I'm sure. There's your charging ports there on the earbuds themselves. Flashing blue indicator means that it's waiting to be paired with the device. So there's my unboxing of the Palm Buds Pro earbuds. I hope you have enjoyed watching this as much as I have making it. Please feel free to share this video, like and subscribe, and if you have any comments, please leave them down below. Thank you again and have a great day.